Portmore United starting lineup. Portmore looks set to take the kickoff, and they do so now after the whistle of referee Carvel Banton. Alex Marshall works up, says it inside, cut out there by Walsh. Walker to Russell, back to Gawain Austin. Russell, and that's a goal. The opening goal coming for Portmore United. Number 14, Siobhan Walsh, scoring there for Portmore United. Loses out to Purcell. Jackson. Wing. Looking for Martin. Cut out by Rudolph Austin. Here comes Martin. And a brilliant goal there for Marlon Martin. Arnett Gardens with the equalizer. Marlon Martin in the 33rd minute. Arnett Gardens with the equalizer. Marlon Martin in the 33rd minute. Game, second half, on the way. Arnett Gardens kicking from second minute. Kelson with a corner. Swings it. In swinger. Comes out to McGregor. Strikes it! Goal! Kevin McGregor scoring there for Arnett Gardens in the 63rd minute. Long range effort from just about Kevin McGregor scoring there for Arnett Gardens in the 63rd minute. Long range effort from just about. Complex. Long pass by Knight. Finds the substitute. He plays it inside to Satchwell. Satchwell back to Knight. Knight to Fraser. Fraser inside and goal. Brilliant goal there for the Portmore United team. Goal scorer number 11, Alex Marshall, uncontested. Brilliant goal there for the Portmore United team. Arnett Gardens player, Marshall. Still Marshall. Looking for Satchwell. Fraser. Fraser puts it across. Satchwell is it that takes it down. And a penalty awarded to the Portmore United team, and a yellow card issued to number 5, Rashawn Amos. Portmore United winning a penalty in the at the time. Should be a Portmore United goal and a Portmore United victory, but you still have Siobhan Walsh to convert to make all of that possible. Walsh steps up, shoot, and scores! Portmore United goes ahead. Minute 90 plus 6. Portmore United 3, Arnett Gardens 2. Portmore United should advance courtesy of that penalty from number 14, Siobhan Walsh. Portmore United 3, Arnett Gardens 2.